Introducing Welding Man. Right guys, welcome back to another episode of Welding Man. Right, firstly, let's point out, let's go back to the comments in the previous YouTube video. A lot of you were saying, oh, I need to go on to smaller gauge, which yes, I agree with, but the reason for that was just to try and lay some actual beads down, just to get a feel of the torch. I've never welded in my life, so like I say, I'll take it on board. So what we've got now, we've got some thinner stuff, some thinner gauge, got two pieces, and we've got these little things that we're going to attach them with, and we're going to do some tacks, and then we're going to try and see if we can weld these two pieces of metal together. So yeah, let's go ahead. I've also turned the gas down, because again, that was another comment that people were saying that the gas was too high, but like I say, I was only going off my gauge really, of what my gauge said, and my gauge says MIG starts at around 15. So we've got it about 12, 13 at the moment, and we're gonna see how we get on from there. So let me set these up so we can try and weld them together. I'll put you on the tripod and we'll go from there. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it looks like bird shit. I went on the other side as well. So we're going to get some more metal and we're going to give it another go. So we got another 2 pieces of metal here. Obviously I lynched them back and used mole grips and the welding clamp, sorry, as a clamp, and we're going to run some tacks, and then we're going to see. Obviously, we're going to try and fill in between the tacks. So let me set you. I just wanted to show you this. I'm quite proud of that, especially that one and that one. Hey, them two. Yeah, maybe not so much, but look at that. So I tacked it, as you might have seen in the video. I think the camera dropped. So we're just going to fill in the rest of the blanks there, and then we'll see what the penetration is like on the other side, and we'll do some welding on the other side as well. Okay. Oh, hey, look at that. That is penetration. Hey, we like that. Wicked. Right, let's do some more. Liking this. Right guys, here we go. I'm going to be honest, I'm quite proud of this here. Let's just flip it over, just bear with me. Look at that. Oh yeah, I mean compared to, I mean I linished this down because I didn't want you to get a close up of this. This is proper rubbish, the amount of gaps in it and stuff, but hey, I'll tell you what, that don't look half bad, does it? So there we go. Welding man's starting to enjoy this. It's good fun, isn't it? It's good fun, this welding malarkey. So, like I say, again, comments, suggestions, you know, all welcome here. Complete new to this. I think I'm getting the setups better how I want them, which is nice, obviously. I think turning the gas down has really helped, and obviously using the thinner gauge and things like that. And I've turned down the power on the welder as well, so I think that's really helped. So yeah, we're going to wrap it up there now because it's about 26 degrees here, and yeah, I'm in this and I'm sweating, to be quite honest with you. Hot works in hot weather, not a good combination. So we're going to crack on with more tomorrow, I think, and hopefully we'll get 2 videos out very soon. So you'll see this one, and then hopefully by the time you see this one, I'm on with the second one. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Again, comments, suggestions, taking the mic, whatever you want to do, it's more than welcome here. I don't get hurt very easily, so crack on. Thanks, guys.